Hi guys, what is up? It's Melanie and today we are filming the most exciting video. We are not in the kitchen yet, but we will shortly be heading over there because this is my first baking video in a while, but I know you guys love them and I'm so excited for this one today. As you guys could see by the title, we are intertwining a fun little concept of AI. I did one video a while ago where I tried to remake cakes that my friends recommended, and today it's kind of similar. I'm going to try to remake a cake that AI creates. Let's see how this turns out. Okay guys, we have made our way over to the desk. Still not to the kitchen yet, but it's okay. We will get there shortly. The first thing we need to do, of course, is generate an image with the AI. This is kind of funny, but I got this entire concept in the middle of one of my business classes because they were talking about AI. We had a guest speaker who was talking about Midjourney, and I'm probably very behind on this. You can like type in all these details and it will generate an image for you. I know there's like different types of AI, but this is what we're basing this whole video off of today. I do need to figure out how to use this website first, so it might take a little second from me. We are going to make an image of this cake and I'm going to try to recreate it in real life. Apparently first I need to make a Discord, which I've just never done in my life, but that's okay. I'll figure it out for this video. Sorry, but why is it asking me what a rugby ball is? I don't know what that is. I feel like I'm literally not a computer and I still fail these little things. Ignore the fact that I have 10 billion school tabs open, please. Okay, this is fun. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, so all you have to do is type /imagine and then whatever you want. It'll make you 4 images in about 60 seconds. And I am doing a free trial right now because, you know, I don't want to pay for this. I am currently buying a subscription to Midjourney. Okay, just to show you guys some examples, basically these like people and things don't exist, but the AI can just create it from a description, so you can have really abstract weird things. Moose in a dark forest, ultra high definition, high resolution, 8K, 4K, ultra realistic. Interesting. Milky Way, ultra high definition, high resolution, 8K, 4K, ultra realistic. Look how wow. In class, they showed us some of like Nike shoes that don't exist. Oh, ultra realistic chair made entirely of cactus photograph for an editorial. How do people think of these things? It's so interesting. And like, what are you using this for? Now it is our turn, guys. So we just do /imagine and then it gives you this, and I'm gonna type prompt. Okay, let's see. 2-layer cake, pink frosting, white details, sprinkles. Okay, I'm nervous. Here is what we have. 2-layer cake, pink frosting, white frosted details, sprinkles, high resolution, cursive lettering, Pinterest worthy, simple for beginners, homemade, cherry on top. They actually have paused the free subscription, so I'm currently buying a subscription. Hopefully you enjoy it. Don't know what just happened to my voice. I'm excited to see how my cake's gonna turn out. Retype my thing, so hopefully I remembered everything, but I'm waiting to start. Okay guys, look at this. This is so funny because you guys should have given it an actual word. I probably should have. Wow. Okay, this is cool. Screenshotting. So I know we gotta get started, but now I'm just like a little curious. Let's see if I can like make myself. Small upper lip. That's enough. I just want to see if it can make me. I'm just curious. Anyways, that's not what this is about. I need to go get some cake supplies and then I'll catch you guys finally in the kitchen. Okay guys, one little pit stop before we start the baking. We are, don't know if you can tell, we are at Ralph's. We need to pick up the ingredients to make a successful AI cake. Hello friends, welcome to the kitchen. We are in serious full baking mode, which means I need my little apron. Today is an actual reserve for baking day, which I love. Firstly, I must admit a couple things to you. We will be using box cake mix and pre-made frosting because this is more about the art than the actual crafting. I do consider myself an actual baker, but when it comes to cake, I'm just like for the mix and it's like literally fine. I did this for my other cake baking video and it actually worked out a lot better because if I spent all my time with the actual like crafting recipe, I never would have finished those cakes. It took me an entire day. I decided I'm gonna be going with this photo for reference just because, I don't know, give me 4 choices, I chose that one. We are gonna start off with making the cake. I am gonna be making a large rectangle one right now. Let's just get started with making this cake. Guys, our semester here is coming to an end in like a month from the day I'm filming this. Realizing it now, I feel like this is the first time I filmed an actual full-on baking video here, which actually makes me kind of sad because this is the cutest kitchen ever and I love it. So I just need water, vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. I miss doing these little challenge videos. They're actually so much fun. I'm not a huge cake person, but honestly, I say that and then every time I make a cake, it goes so quick. I have to remember to oil this. Oh my gosh. I forget how nice like pre-made stuff is. Like that was so quick. Update me too in the comments on how you've been because it's been a while since I've done any kind of like talking video and boy oh boy, I miss speaking to a camera. I feel like I've been making a lot more like short form content just because it's like easier and I can make more of it when I'm in college, but like YouTube, where my heart is at. Voila! So quick. That was perfect timing. Thank you. Okay, so according to my little box, this needs to be the oven at 350 for 23 to 28 minutes. Got my timer going. I will catch you when the cake is ready in 25 minutes. Also, if you remember what the cake looked like, it was on a little cake stand, which is actually perfect. Led to the reason why I chose this one, but I have a cake stand and I think it'll look so cute when I put it in here. It'll perfectly emulate the AI photo. I do need to clear out these things. I just made some chocolate chip cookies and then I made these strawberry milkshake M&M cookies that are delicious. Anyways, I'm gonna clear that out so that the cake can go on it. I guess that's what I'll do right now while it's baking. Okay guys, so I'm here with my cake. I let it cool for a little bit and I am going to shape it down into my 2 layers. I just have this little round plate that hopefully I can make 2 of. Oh gosh. Oh, that was kind of smooth. I think it's a little too big though. Should I just wing it? I know the answer is no. I'm gonna make 2 of these. Wow, this is spongy. This is a weird cake. I'm going to shave this. Just go for it. I'm planning on like freezing it or refrigerating it after this. I'll make some cake pops with the leftovers. I haven't made cake pops in a fat second. Okay, the most important thing I've learned from all of my videos I've watched and all of my experience with cake baking is that it is necessary to not skimp out on the freezing time or the cooling time because if you do, you will be regretting it. Bakers everywhere may be cringing right now, but I'm going to freeze these for a little bit. Okay guys, update. It's been about 15 minutes with the cakes in the freezer. I think that should be fine. We are going to start doing the base layer of frosting, which is just gonna be pink. So I just put some pink frosting in this. I I don't have all my fancy baking stuff here, no piping bags or anything, so I'm just using Ziploc bags, which should hopefully do the job just fine. I'm gonna just start by piping a little swirl of frosting on the bottom that will hopefully keep the cake in place. And I'm gonna go get one of my little cakes from the freezer. First cake, here we go. Hope you can hear the birds chirping in the background. It's truly so adorable for the vibe. Let's center it. And we're gonna do another swirl on top of this before we place the top cake. This is fun. This is what I needed right now. Right now, honestly, at this point, I feel like things might be going a little bit, dare I say, too well. Like, when is this cake gonna fall over or like burst into flames or something? I do this to myself though, and it's not healthy. It's like self-fulfilling prophecy? Self-destruction? I don't know what the word is. When things are going too well in life, so you gotta, woo! Did I even explain what's going on here? I've seen some cake videos, okay? I grew up watching Cake Boss. What I'm gonna do is just try to pipe as much as I can around this whole thing, because after this, I don't think I even need the pink frosting. It's just like the entire base layer is pink. I'm trying to get as much of the pink frosting there as I can. This is the creme coat or whatever. Oh, maybe this is where it falls apart. I'm kind of nervous. Wow, that's a lot of frosting. Gotta keep going, guys. Persevere. Ooh. If it looks a little bad, we're putting white frosting on it too. So we gotta remember that. Okay, I'm getting, dare I say, a little dizzy from spinning this cake. This is one of those things that I could just like keep doing, keep spinning this cake, keep frosting it forever. Do you see this? We're doing well. I don't know why I'm whispering. Let's look at this photo again. We need to do the white drizzle on the side is what we need to do. And then we're gonna finish it off with the For this one, since I'm using a little tip, I just cut a bigger slit and then put the tip in through it. And now I'm gonna fill it with my whipped frosting. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty proud of this drip work. I'm pretty proud. Oh, I love this. I need to bake a cake every time after I cry. I think it fixes everything. I think I'm gonna personally add a little bit more white piping around here. Like, I can't see top of the cake up here. Maybe the whole thing's white, but maybe the whole thing's covered in these. But I think I'm just gonna add little dollops around just to make it like look cuter. I know that's not required. It's not in the assignment. Let me show you what I'm talking about though. It would look cute, and I have extra frosting. So, you know, I'm already extra for baking this cake for no reason. Okay, honestly guys, we're almost done, which is actually crazy. I'm going to add some of the finishing touches. I just made another piping bag with white and the like pointy thing to do the little swirls on top. I'm excited for this part. The piping bag looks so wonk. Should I practice first? Probably, right? Oh. Okay, maybe I should have put my hair up. Maybe that's what I should have done. Oh, slay. This looks so good. Stop, because I love it. Maybe like 5 or, oh, it's so cute. Maybe like 6 of them. Okay, stop. This is satisfying. Okay, I need to drop out of school and go to baker. Oh, please tell me. Okay, we're having a little malfunction right now. I think it's because I made the slit too small, so it ripped open. Sorry to everyone watching. Probably stressed. Stress for me. Don't be though, because we're gonna figure it out. Oh yeah, we're gonna do it. Am I done already? No, because I'm gonna add sprinkles. I'm adding these little star ones because I think they're so fun. They like high-key don't come out though, which is actually a really big issue. What's it do? Who designed this? Literally, who designed this? And you can't open it either. I could put brown sprinkles on, like I could, but I don't want to do that. Okay, third time, still doesn't work. Okay, well, I guess we're using the other sprinkles. This is a bummer, but what can you do? Ooh, so cute. First, wait, stop. We're not done. We're not done without cleaning up the edges. What the heck? Voila. I wish there were stars on top, but it's okay. Are we proud? What do we think? Be honest. Be honest. My finished cake, guys. What do you think? Put a picture up so you can compare. Honestly, I would say this was a raging success. I think it's so cute. I'm definitely gonna have a little photo shoot with this cake because I love how it looks. I love the design the AI gave me. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you want to see more baking or AI videos below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one and it gave you, I don't know, inspiration, or it was just fun to watch. But let me know what you think and say hi in the comments. I'd love to say hi to you. But thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.